This is an explanation of the curricular unit that has been developed for 4th grade Multiplication Strategies, Chapter 3. The focus of the chapter is different types of multiplication strategies in solving 2-digit by 2-digit or 3-digit multiplication problems. The resource that is used for this curricular unit is GoMath. Here are the standards that are addressed in the GoMath series, Chapter 3. NBT B5 and OAA3 are the two main standards that are addressed in this unit. The other thing that is addressed in this unit are the technology standards. We are creating an empowered learner, a knowledge constructor, and a computational thinker. Here's an example of the learning path that the students will follow. As you can see, each lesson is broken down, and each lesson has different activities for the students to do. This is engaging the students in a variety of activities and at the same time teaching them the different strategies that go along with multiplication. In lesson 3.1 and 3.3, you will see that the students are creating on an app called Stage. Stage is an app that will have the students show their learning through recreating multiplication problems that have been given to them using specific strategies that they learned in the lesson. The other activity that they will be working on is in lesson 3.4. You will see that they are doing an activity on Seesaw. Seesaw is their digital storytelling app. It is also their digital portfolio. The activity that they will be doing in this lesson is very similar to the other activities where they will be recreating a problem, but this time they'll be posting it on Seesaw. When posting something on Seesaw, the parents are also able to see the problem that has been posted, and their classmates are able to comment and give constructive feedback to their classmates regarding their multiplication problem that they selected. This is a great way to involve parents in feedback and classmates in the feedback. As you can see, as they move through the lesson, they're doing an assessment to check up, and that is something that the teacher is grading. And then finally, at the end of the chapter, this is where different strategies are introduced and technology-enriched programs are used. For the first option, they are to create a video on an app of their choice using one of the multiplication strategies. The apps that they can choose from could be Shadow Puppet, 30 Hands, they could use Stage, they can use another app called Show Me. The students are free to use whatever app they feel comfortable on to recreate the problems. Another technology tool that is used in this end of the chapter project is that they are making a pic collage. A pic collage, as you can see right here, a pic collage is where they are taking information as a real world problem and creating their answer and how they went about solving the problems into a pic collage and then presenting that. Here's an example of the playlist that goes along with the chapter. Each of the lessons has videos that have been created by the teacher to re-explain the lesson and help the students understand the strategy that is being taught. You will see that in some of the lessons that there is also other videos available through Khan Academy and also through YouTube. This is pulling in other Web 2.0 tools into the playlist. The students have a copy of this playlist in their Google Classroom, and they just need to click on each of the links and it will bring them to the video for them to watch. Another assignment that has been attached to the curricular unit is a virtual field trip. The virtual field trip will take place after the students have gone through and created their own basketball logo and have solved some multiplication problems with ticket sales and how many people can fit into the stadium. After they're finished with all of the activities, they are then brought to this screen, and you can see that in the middle of the screen is a QR code. The students just need to use the QR code and scan it, and it will take them right to their virtual field trip. Once they are in their virtual field trip, it is again pulling in real-world activities by having them use the website and find out pricing of tickets, how many chaperones they would need, how much the chaperones would cost. So it's bringing them a little bit of the real world in with the virtual field trip. This engages the students and brings a different level of activity to them, and the variety is sometimes really good for students who need a little bit of differentiation. Another thing that has been added to this curricular unit is a PowerPoint game. The PowerPoint game can be used at the end of the unit as a review before the students are taking a test. The PowerPoint game is interactive, and each time that they solve a problem, it either takes them to a screen to let them know that they did a great job and they're moving on to the next problem, or they need to try again the problem so that they can see if they could get the problem correct. Here are examples of the digital storytelling options that are included in this project. All the activities that the students build upon for this activity offer voice and choice to the students in a personalized learning classroom, which engages the students more and allows them to pick something that matches their learning style. Although this is only one unit in math, all of the concepts and activities help the students to move forward in their math. It also helps them to learn how to create a video and how to teach a concept to others. And this builds a foundation for creating and presenting other concepts in the future. I hope that you have enjoyed my presentation, and I look forward to you using this unit in your classroom.